And sure enough, the young child proved extraordinary attitudes at an early age, much to the amazement of his elders. Terribly mischievous, but also incredibly fearless and honest, Naren shone at the boarding school, excelling in geography and sport. Then the introduction of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, the great spiritual teacher, in a lecture at the Presidency College showed him his road ahead, eventually leading his strong philosophical instincts to take sannyas at the Ramakrishna. Thus began the journey of a great spiritual leader.
Kali Kali bolo Roshona, Kali Kali bolo Roshona, Kali Kali bolo Roshona, Kali Kali bolo Roshona. Kor podo dhan namamrito pan, Kor podo dhan namamrito pan, Jodi pethe pran thake boshona, Kali Kali bolo roshona. Durga naam ke bolo ek baar, Durga naam ke bolo ek baar, Shonger shambol Durga naam amar, Durga naam ke bolo ek baar, Shonger shambol Durga naam amar. O nitto samsar nahi parabar, O nitto samsar nahi parabar, Sokoli ashar ভেবে দেখো না, কালি কালি বলো রোশনা, কালি কালি বলো রোশনা, কালি কালি বলো রোশনা, কালি কালি বলো রোশনা। গেলো গেলো কাল বিফলে গেলো, গেলো গেলো কাল বিফলে গেলো, দেখো না কালান্ত নিকটে এলো, গেলো গেলো কাল বিফলে গেলো।
Naren, you have come. I was waiting for you. Come closer. Come, Naren, sit by me. You have come at an appropriate time. Kali Ma's puja is going on. Sing a bhajan for her, Naren.
But how did you know me? How?
Please sing, Naren. We will talk later.
मन चलो निज निकेतने, मन चलो निज निकेतने, मन चलो निज निकेतने। संसार विदेशी विदेशीर बेशी।
Wow, what a voice! What bhakti! Truly, a remarkable young man.
Why did you come so late? Why did you make me suffer thus? I am fed up of people's promises. I am tired of these worthless praises. I wanted a disciple who could understand my inner self. I want to bear all my experiences in front of such a disciple and make my heart light. Oh Lord, I know who you are, an ancient soul, the saint who will rise up to the challenge of cleansing this land. You are the other face of Narayana himself. Naren, promise me, you will come here. You will be with me.
Of course. Thakurji, have you seen God?
Yes, I have seen him as clearly as I can see you. We can see God. We can talk to him. But my son, in today's world, who wants God? People run behind the illusion of money, the maya of family and asset building. They shed tears for the sake of worldly pursuits. But tell me, who will shed tears for God's sake? If people search for God in all honesty, God will appear.
मन चलो निज निकेतने मन चलो निज निकेतने मन चलो निज निकेतने संसार विदेशी विदेशीर बेशी भ्रम केन आकरणे मन चलो निज निकेतने मन चलो निज निकेतने विषय पंचक और भूत गण विषय पंचक और भूत गण तब तर पर के बनायापन विषय पंचक और भूत गण तब तर पर के बनायापन
Namaste, Thakurji.
Come, Naren, sit down.
Thakurji. 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 Thakurji.
Naren.
Thakurji, what did you do? What happened? Was that God? Tell me, Thakurji.
This is enough for now. You will realize everything gradually.
Thakurji, how do we pray to God?
You can pray to God however you want, in whatever way you want. But pray honestly, with utter devotion. Let not your prayers be tinged with unholy thoughts, for God can hear even the footsteps of an ant.
What should our goal be, Thakurji?
You must grow morally, ethically, and spiritually. You must grow up.
Thakurji, I have a question.
Yes, Naren.
Thakurji, is there only one God, or are there several gods?
Naren, imagine 4 of you are standing on 4 different sides of the same tank of water. One will call the water aqua. The other will say pani. The third will say jal. And the fourth will simply call it water. In the same way, God is one. We address him in different ways.